Well, today I'm going to make a treat. It's called cocoa waffles. I always recommend you use Hershey's waffles. I was talking about the good old days and how fantastic food actually tasted back in the good old days. And I'm not kidding. I'm adding in 2 eggs. No, I'm going to do the flour first. I'm going to add in the 2 eggs, okay? Because I don't want to forget something. That's how dumb I am. 1 cups of flour. Here we go. Here we go. I'm now adding in my 3 teaspoons of baking powder. I'm sorry, 3 teaspoons of baking powder. Yeah, everything tasted really great in the olden days, like we talked about before, and how fantastic food actually was in the olden days. It's amazing what you can make from the good old days. And you know, we're working on the good old days right now. I'm also adding in a 1/2 cup of cocoa. Use Hershey's cocoa. I don't know what happened to the little cans of it. They just don't, you can't find it anymore. Here we go. I'm trying to get a little bit more out. There we go, just a little bit more. You want to have enough cocoa in here. Really say they don't have cocoa. We can't find it anymore. Hershey's cocoa. I'm adding in 1/2 cup. Now, please, folks, do not forget the sugar. You forget the sugar, this is going to taste hideous. I'm telling you this. This is from the good old days. Like I was telling you about how fantastic food tasted, folks. You have no idea. I'm getting my sugar, because if I forget the sugar, folks, we have a problem. I almost did this morning. 1/2 cup of cocoa sugar. Alright, we have everything as for dry ingredients. We're going to mix it together. Make sure everything's out of the sink. We don't want any kitty cat cooking some. They should not left. Alright, we're going to mix this together. Make sure it's a fine powder before I go to the wet, which is going to be the eggs and the milk. I'm adding in 2 eggs, a cup of milk, and 3 tablespoons of butter. Here we go. Two eggs. Book closed. You don't have a house without a waffle line. Let me tell you this. 2 eggs. 2 tablespoons of butter. I think I want to go to bed. I don't know why I'm tired today. I think it's the weather. Mix together. Now, folks, if it's too dry, then you might have to add in a little bit more milk. We'll see. Too much arm movement on this. It might be a little bit too dry. Maybe not. No, it's okay. I don't know. It's a little bit dry, but okay. Okay. Put on a hot waffle iron, and you're going to see a treat you're going to love from the good old days. So we're talking about the good old days and how food tasted so differently, folks. It's just amazing how food tasted back in the olden days. I'm telling you something. Even the houses smell different. I never understand why the houses smell so different. I'll be back in a few minutes. And here we have a delicious treat today. Make it really pretty today. Some powdered sugar and some whipped cream. And here we have a delicious, wonderful chocolate waffle. Deborah, Tom Country Kitchen. Have a great day.